Firstly, click File, New, and input your desired dimensions. Next, click File, Open, and open up two different images that you want to blend together. Next, open up the new template that you made before and go into the bottom right corner and click on this button, which is New Layer. Then, click the tab containing one of your images and copy it all and paste it onto the new layer. Create a new layer with the same button and copy and paste the other image that you want to blend with it over the top. Right click on this layer and select blending options and then change the opacity just so you can see through it but you can still see the image. And then this will help you to line up the two images better. When your images are lined up, go back into blending options and put the opacity all the way back up. Then select this button in the bottom right and then go over to the paint bucket tool and press the little arrow so that it shows you the gradient tool. And then basically when you're here, you can play around with it, draw lines until the two images are blended perfectly to your desire. Thank you for watching this minute tutorial. Leave a like and subscribe and leave a suggestion for another tutorial you want to see cut down.